G'day, buddy.
Same here.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Might not be the most comfortable, but not having screaming kids at 6 o'clock in the morning, it's not a bad way to start, is it? It's the
first time I haven't heard body dummy, blue yogurt.
Yeah.
Free pack. Oh, I got fruit. That's yours. You're number 38. That's my original race number.
That's what we were just saying.
How cool is that? Yeah. So you're going to win.
Yeah. You race.
Do you race?
Beat you guys any day.
Settle down. That's for you.
You gotta find
You won the unicorn prize. It's a lucky door unicorn prize.
Wow.
Yeah.
All good?
My guy's a bit upside down, just like me, I guess.
Fashioned to run, oh, and we'll go farther than we've been. The journey waiting to start. Imagine us going far. Oh,
don't need it, mate. It's the open roads rally. You come out here, doesn't matter what you bring. You can bring the latest thing, you can bring whatever you want. You can bring out Himalayan and you can have an absolute ball. You can ride with your family, you can go up pretty much anything, go down pretty much anything, go through the rivers and sit around and have a drink at the end of it and talk about how awesome it was. So me and my dad were out there today. It's probably been, since I was a kid, almost since I rode with him, you know. And that's the thing with all the modern day bikes. They're quite tall. They've got a high seat height. The Himalayan he felt straight at home on. You know, he came out and he did the trail with us today and had an absolute ball. You know, he used to be a trail rider back in the day and obviously hasn't done it for a while. So, yeah, we had a heap of fun cruising out there together and hitting the trails, and yeah, it was just perfect for it.
What's this track going to involve?
I don't know, it looks like it's on a pretty gnarly side of a hill, so yeah, I guess there's going to be a fair bit of off-camber stuff. I don't know if we're supposed to run over the barrels or ride over the barrels or run into the barrels, kick the barrels.
Is Rubbin racing?
I reckon it will be. Yeah, might have to
We'll be bumping shoulders or something.
see if, yeah, just be careful of flying barrels. I'll be aiming them at you.
Gives you a little bit, and then just says, nah.
Like he didn't give you a water wheel.
I'm so glad I'm not his kid.